In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple inboxes at once in Outlook 365. If you juggle more than one email account, keeping an eye on everything in one place can save you time and clicks. The goal here is simple. Get all your inboxes visible at a glance so you can see new messages and unread counts without drilling into each account. First, make sure every email account you want to monitor is added to Outlook. Open Outlook and go to File, then select Add Account. Enter the email address you want to add and follow the prompts to connect. Outlook supports popular providers like Microsoft Accounts and Gmail, and it will guide you through any extra verification your provider requires. When the setup is complete and syncing finishes, you'll see the new account appear in the left navigation pane with its own inbox and folders. Repeat this for each account you use so they're all available in the same Outlook window. Once your accounts are connected, we'll bring their inbox folders into one easy-to-scan spot. In the new Outlook, look at the folder pane on the left. At the very top, you'll see a section called Favorites. This is the key to viewing multiple inboxes side by side. For each account, click and hold its inbox folder and drag it up into Favorites. You'll see a small indicator showing it's being added. Drop it there and the inbox appears as a shortcut. Do the same drag and drop for every account's inbox you want to monitor. Now, your Favorites section shows all those inbox shortcuts together, each with its own unread count. That means you can immediately see where new mail has arrived without expanding individual accounts or navigating through submenus. You can also click and drag within Favorites to reorder the inboxes so the most important ones sit at the top. If you ever change your mind, click an inbox in Favorites and choose Remove from Favorites. This only removes the shortcut. It doesn't delete the folder or any messages. That's it. Thanks for watching.